Nuclear energy, what is it? How is it generated? Does it pollute? Let's go stepwise. What is nuclear energy? It's the energy contained in the nucleus of an atom. How is it obtained? Through fission, the process by which atoms are split into smaller parts. In that process, a large amount of energy is released. All of this happens in the famous nuclear power plants. How is this energy generated? With a nuclear reactor, a facility that controls the fission happening in a specific part of the reactor, the core, where the nuclear fuel is located. There are tubes that contain many uranium pellets, and that's where fission takes place. This whole process generates a lot of heat, which is harnessed and sent to another part of the reactor where it is turned into steam. What is it used for? To generate electricity. It spins turbines connected to a generator that produces the electrical energy used, for example, in homes. Have you seen that smokestack with steam coming out of nuclear power plants? That's water vapor, and it comes from the system that cools the whole process. Don't worry, since it never comes into contact with the uranium, it's not radioactive. Does it pollute? There are differing opinions. Nuclear energy is considered a clean energy source. It doesn't emit carbon dioxide during its operations and manages the waste it produces with very strict safety controls. A fact. There has never been an accident involving spent fuel in history. However, using uranium requires mining, and that's where social and environmental organizations point out a problem. Extracting minerals can alter the soil, uses large amounts of water, and impacts air quality, among other things. Despite that, mining is necessary for other types of energy as well. For example, making solar panels requires silicon. So, in summary, can this type of energy help with the climate crisis? Since it's a clean energy source, scientists and experts say that nuclear energy is key to the energy transition if we want to mitigate climate change. Do you think it could be the energy of the future?